closer, Daddy. Just come out.
No, you can't get close to him because then he'll get scared. Hey, buddy. Come on out. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi. Look, there you are.
Over?
Look at him. Don't move. Nobody move. See? He just wants to know if we're friendly or not. That's all he wants to know. Sorry. See? There's nature out here. See that? Aw, you scared him away. There he is.
Look at you. He's looking at me, Thea.
Mm-hmm. Maybe he likes your Angry Birds shirt. What do you think?
Yeah, I put him asleep.
Yeah, look at him go. Aw. He got scared. Isn't it cool? Don't get too close. Don't scare him off. Look at his teeth.
Look so cute.
Mm-hmm.
You look like a squirrel, a monkey. You look like a hamster.
Whoa. I know.
You got a long body.
Yeah, it's very long.
Yeah, he just came out and ate something. Oh, little gopher?
Say hello, gopher. Aw.
Came out more. Look at it. Is that a mole or gopher?
I'm not really sure. Aw, he's eating grass.
A mole or an orchid.
This right here is what like he's on
It's
now.
a gopher.
He is a gopher. Look at it.
Aw.
Look at it. Trust you because it's eating me. Come on out, little buddy.
Look at it comes out more and more.
So brave.
He's
Yeah.
getting
What a fun discovery. I always thought these were snakes.
He's getting food to a baby.
Yeah.
He's getting to his baby.
Yeah. He's hungry. It's lunchtime.
Is it a honey badger?
Yeah.
Honey badger.
Honey badger don't care.
That's the name of our bowling team. That's the best video ever.
Oh, I gotta love Randall.
Sorry, buddy. We scared him. Have a good night.
Okay. Have a great day. Come on, kids. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Do you guys want to go to the right here a little bit?